Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can send, compose and craft emails and messages on Gmail in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your inbox on Gmail, for example via web browser or on mobile. Click into that compose button in the top left and you will see the new message window popping up here in the bottom right. So next here to you may enter the recipient's email address. Below, click into the subject and also below click into the text field to type in your text. And that's basically it. At the bottom you will see a couple of text formatting tools like applying bold letters or numbered list, bulleted list, changing the font. You have the undo or the redo button. And you may add attachments from Google Drive or by inserting a photo from your device. You may insert a signature, attach files by clicking into that paperclip icon, or access more formatting options here by clicking into this button. So then we got three options. You may delete the message draft. You may schedule it for later by clicking into this button, or send it now by clicking into this button, or by using the shortcut Ctrl-Enter to send the message to the given recipient, or also to the CC and BCC if you have added these to your message. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.